question on a Zoom call consultation the other day from a woman that was new to Hairprint, and she wanted to know why she only received minimal coverage from her treatment application. Well, there can be a few reasons why this can happen, and I thought I might share those with you. One, it can be from an uneven application. Sometimes when you see Hairprint has restored gray in some areas and not in others, that is because oftentimes people that are new to Hairprint will apply it in the same way that they've seen stylists apply dye in a salon. You know, when we are stylists in cosmetology school, we are taught to apply dye with very precise sections, dabbing it on very gently. Well, that's because we're working with chemicals, and this product is not at all like that. With this product, you want to make sure you're massaging it into your scalp, almost like a shampoo or conditioner, getting it on in 6 minutes and, working it through, all those gray areas. Oftentimes, because I can't see the back of my head, I'll just use my gloved hands and kind of go through the back of my head just to feel around to make sure that the distribution is even and I've got, good saturation throughout. So that could be one reason. Another, it could be is, the residues left behind by her styling products or conventional shampoos or conditioners might just not have been fully removed. It's really important to use that detoxing week the week before you do your treatment. Use your chelating shampoo anywhere from 1 to 4 times, depending on your hair texture. And then, for when you are doing your skincare routine, making sure you don't extend your oils too far up into your hairline, because those hairs in your hairline and sideburn areas are extremely resistant. And sometimes the oils that are left behind can make it hard for Hairprint to work. So for those areas and any other areas that might be particularly resistant, you can also do the baking soda trick. And that's just getting a couple of tablespoons of baking soda, taking an old wet toothbrush, dipping it into the baking soda, and just in downward strokes, just go over those areas while the pre-treatment shampoo is on your roots, and let that sit in your root area for up to 25 to 30 minutes. And this, of course, is all, if you don't have a scalp that's overly sensitive. Most users I speak with, this really helps, address those areas that are particularly stubborn. And then you can just rinse all that baking soda and pre-treatment, out before you start your color restore step. So that is something you might want to try next time. And then another thing that could be is ordering the kit that's right for you. Sometimes people, often don't realize how dark they truly are, and they order something that's lighter than they really are. If you are on the fringe of, for instance, a brown and a dark, I would probably go with the kit that's darker, because you're going to get better results that way. So that is another factor that could play into getting good coverage. And lastly, what kind of products you use on a regular basis. If your products have silicone in it, that can be very difficult to remove. How long your hair's been gray, and also if you have extremely long hair, you might need more than one kit. Or if your hair is above 50%, you may need the Color Restore Plus. So just hopefully those are a couple of things that you can maybe pay attention to, just to make sure that you get great results. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to answer any questions. Complimentary Zoom calls, of course. I just want to have you get a great result with Hairprint. So thanks. Bye.